So now let's see how we can duplicate objects inside of Tinkercad. So in order to duplicate objects, I'm going to bring around, let's say for example, a box right here. And then in order to duplicate this, I'm going to hold Alt on my keyboard and then click and drag it. And that's how you can duplicate an object. Click and drag it around, click and drag it around, click and drag it around. So you can click and drag around many instances of the object right here. You can also go around over here, and then if I were to hold Alt on my keyboard and rotate this around, that is how you can duplicate it out. So what else you can also do is, if I were to select this, you have this object right here, duplicate and repeat. So if I were to click on this, then it is duplicated just like this. So I can go around right here as well. If I were to press Ctrl D on my keyboard, then that is how you can duplicate out the object as well. And that is how you can duplicate objects inside of Tinkercad. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.